Bitcoin is showing some strength, trying to stay above 70K. Is a bigger move coming for Bitcoin? Let's find out. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. It's about 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, and the price of Bitcoin is currently at 69,800. And before we do the top-down analysis, I want to go over this winning trade I gave you guys yesterday. Yesterday, I flagged out this 1 hour chart. I was thinking it was going to be more of a falling wedge. I gave you guys this entry at around 68,700, and the measured move was taking us all the way to about 70,950. We didn't do the whole exact measure move, but we got to about 70,560. That's almost a $2,000 move. So congratulations, whoever took this trade. This is a big win for the FlexCandle community. Now let's start off here with the weekly chart. This candle closes in a day and 1 hour. Right now, what we're trying to do is trying to close this candle tomorrow at above 70K is what we would want to do. We want to try to get a green candle. Yesterday, it was a little bit more red. This is starting to be more of a wick, less of a red body. Eventually, this could turn green, and that's what I'm really looking for. Eventually, I want to see if we can make it back to this 100 moving average at around 87,420. Take a look at the 4-day chart. The last candle closed red with a wick. We're having a green candle. This candle closes in 3 days and 1 hour. We're kind of far away from the 21 moving average. That's currently at 84,927. The stochastics are pointing up. I'm expecting a move up towards this 21 moving average. And the daily chart, yesterday we were able to close a green candle, pretty much a green engulfing candle. I've been telling you guys, it looks like we want to make our way towards this 21 moving average. That's currently at 75,713. Right now we're getting another green candle. This candle closes in the next 25 minutes. Stochastics are starting to get a little toppy, but we could definitely continue going up into this black surface here. And I think that would give us this move towards the 21 moving average. Now, once we get there, is pierce the 21 moving average and continue going up towards this 50 moving average. If we get rejected at this 21 moving average, then there is more downside possibly. We head over to the 22-hour chart. Stochastics, we're on the way down. It looks like we rolled back up, and we're trying to drag here a little bit. We did make it above the 21 moving average, so this is starting to get a little bit bullish. We take a look at the 8-hour chart. Stochastics also toppy, but we are above the 21 moving average. This is important. This candle also closes in 25 minutes. It's not much of a green candle, but as long as we stay above this 21 moving average, this is important. And on the 4-hour chart, this is why I've given you guys a slanted inverted head and shoulder here. This measure move takes us to this 200 moving average. Right now it's currently at 82,271, and as you guys can see, we already broke the neckline. The only thing is that the stochastics are toppy here. Let's see if maybe we could roll back up and drag here for a little bit. If we do go down, what we want to do is maintain this 21 moving average at 67,992, basically 68K. And then once the stochastics reset, we could try to blast up. We definitely need to get above this 80 moving average and start heading towards this 100 moving average at 72,958. And on the 1-hour chart, the stochastics here are low, but they look like they want to roll over. I'm not liking the RSI here. This kind of looks like a head and shoulder pattern is about to happen. This could also be a head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, head, and this could be the right shoulder if we start losing the 21 moving average, and especially if we break this 200 moving average at 68,858. Right now we want to use this as support. If we lose this, then it's possible we could continue coming down here. And on the 15-minute chart, stochastics are also kind of rolling over here. We're starting to lose the 21 moving average. This kind of looks like a head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This could take us down to about this 100 moving average at 69,485. Not too bad. If we do lose that 100 moving average, then we could start falling down towards this 200 moving average. So right now we want to at least stay above the 200 moving average on the 15-minute chart, and especially on the 1-hour chart, to keep the 4-hour inverted head and shoulder alive. If we could do that, then I do expect a move towards 80K. If we start losing 68K and we cannot hold 67K, we could fall back down to about 65K or lower. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.